Hey everyone, Nolan here. Today I want to talk about how I lost my drone for probably about 5 minutes. It's kind of scary, let me tell you. So I'll start from the beginning. So what happened was I was out taking videos and pictures yesterday, and I'm flying my drone around over a creek bed. Actually, it was a creek and there's trees and water and all kinds of good stuff. It was pretty. Flying around, and I have my iPad displaying what the drone is showing me, and I just doing my thing, and then all of a sudden the recording indicator on the app freezes. And I'm like, oh, what the heck? So I start tapping buttons and messing around, and nothing's happening. Next thing you know, the app just crashes and goes away, closes out all by itself. And I'm like, oh, great. I'm like, so I just fired. I thought, yeah, I could just fire the app back up, and it'll reconnect to the aircraft, and we're good to go. Well, I was wrong. I fired the app back up, and it's telling me, nope, can't connect the aircraft, can't find the aircraft, all this and that. And this drone is easily a half mile away over, like I said, water and trees. So I have no idea where it's at. It's too small to see. I have no clue. So I'm like, oh crap, I just lost a $500 drone. It was a pretty gut-wrenching feeling for a second, not gonna lie. So I got a little freaked out. I was like, what do I do? I was messing with the app. I'm like, that thing can only hover out there for so long. And so I was like, oh boy, I screwed up. So anyway, what I ended up doing was that there's a button on the controllers. This is DJI Mini or Mavic Mini is what it is. It's a pretty small drone if you don't know anything about it. But anyway, so this is the controller right here. And you can see there's two buttons. You got a power button here, and you've got it's called a return to home button, if you can kind of see that. So you press that in the event that you get lost or have an issue or whatever, you just can't bring it back yourself. So you press and hold that for about 3 seconds, and the drone will just come back to where you took off from. It has GPS location and all that. So I didn't think that would work because the app crashed. The app was telling me there was no GPS signal, there was no connection to the aircraft whatsoever. So I was like, so I went out on a limb just for that was all I could do. I pressed this button, held it, it was beeping at me. And it took probably 2 or 3 minutes, and I was just waiting. I was like, what else can I do? I can try to run down there and find it before it falls. So yeah, I pressed that button, and like I said, 3 minutes later, that drone was probably 50 feet above me, just flying right back to me. It was incredible. I was freaking out for a minute, not gonna lie. I was like, gosh darn it, And then here it comes flying up at me. So I have a little video of it I took kind of in a hurry, so it's kind of crappy quality, and I apologize for that, but I'll show you. It came right in. It came right above me, and it literally come down and hovered above the ground probably 5 feet away from me. It was incredible. I love it. So, moral of the story today is if you do have an app crash and you don't know what to do, that home button, return to home button, is key. Just hit that button, and that drone it'll come back to you, or at least to where it took off from. So if that's an issue, you kind of know what to do. At least this is what happened to me, and it worked very well for me, luckily. And also, if you know anybody who's looking for a drone or trying to figure out what they want to get for a drone, DJI.com. Those drones, obviously after this event, $500 just came back to me with a touch of a button, and a lot of drones won't do that. So there's really, really good quality drone as far as the safety features go. I think it's a really worthwhile thing. If you're gonna have a drone, I would go to DJI. I recommend that. Well guys, I was out here taking drone videos. App crashed. I pressed the return to home button. And there's my drone coming home. Thank goodness for all this fancy technology nowadays, because I couldn't see where it was. I thought I lost it. Just took a gamble on the home button, and it brought itself right home. Might hit the sticks though, crash. Look at that thing, dude. It came right back to me. And I've got it. It doesn't like it. Excuse my film quality. That's awesome. Anyway, I want to let you know kind of what happened with me and how it scared me, but overall it all ended well. So yeah, keep you guys posted on that. I got a new drone here I'm gonna work with here, and we'll put some footage up with that one and let me know how you guys like that too. But anyway, I just want to let you know, because this is it's scary. It really was. I mean, you know, that's a lot of money just kind of hanging out there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully this is helpful to some of you guys as far as decision making or future reference if this happens to you. And with that, I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.